I think I'm live again. Sorry about that. Pesky neighbors. I'm not sure if I could press pause or anything or. No. Here we go. Here we go. Posting the link over at Steemit as well. Just this current one. Give me 1 second. 1 second. All right. If you can watch me on Steemit, that would be awesome. I mean, just to give you an example, I had 12 views on my video on Monday, and I got, or not views, 12 upvotes, and I got 43 cents. That's like a week's worth of work at YouTube with triple, quadruple the views. Anywho's, please follow me over there. Appreciate it. So anyways, where I left off with GDX, gold, silver. Let's see where we got any kind of improvement here. Hold support on gold. 60-minute charts is what I'm looking at. Looks like silver's holding a little bit better than gold. Copper hit resistance, going to come back in for the next few hours. And then we need to look at GDX. 60-minute close, right off of support, made that nice little hammer. Inverted hammer. Has a small little wick, but negligible. GDXJ, got to hold support, watch for previous low breaks. It's in this tight little range. Resistance on the up. We got the 8 and the 13 trying to hold it in. So make sure we hold support, get a little turn on this tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's a big day. Weekly closes. Yeah, it looks like we're building pretty nicely. It's going to get a pop across that that hourly chart. Let's see, hourly chart again. Nugget looks like a pop coming across at 8. Let's see if we can get a pop across the 8 tomorrow into this area, come back into support that same day on the 60-minute chart. JNUG, same thing. Let's go backwards and see the daily charts. Support, support, support. Everything's at support. Here we go, miners. Still giving me a heck. Gotta love it. 10-year Treasury note. It's tough to be live, I think. I'm looking at a bearish retracement on that 4-hour chart. Popped down and then came back in and started to get rejected. Hourly chart looks like a cup and handle, so it could be bullish. Weekly chart, it's just barely hanging on by a thread on that support line. Watch out below. Nikkei, yeah, hold support on TNX, 10-year Treasury. Nikkei still coming in support on that weekly. There it is. That's what I was talking about. Little consolidation pattern here in that right shoulder. Bam! You got the left shoulder head, that right shoulder consolidation phase, stair stepping into support. Kind of had like a wicked pullback slingshot method. Still got to close above that resistance line there. I got the double bottom on the Shanghai. Looks like another just a right shoulder coming in. Consolidation, like a stair step into support. Right shoulders like to do that. Coal, nice whipsaw through support, back through resistance, back into support. Hold support. Looks like we got a whipsaw on the daily. This could just turn into the steel, could turn into a cup and handle. This has got a turn now. Saucer-shaped bottoms, but it fell over on me. So now I'm thinking cup and handle. CLF, little whipsaw on the downside, hammer forming. That could be bullish if the break comes up on the upside, confirming the hammer. Small little hammer, but never neglect a hammer. Inverted hammer. Make sure we hold support. Right now it's got a whipsaw, so it came through through support, back through resistance, and made a nice little hammer knocking out that bottom. Also making a nice whipsaw. So look for a CLF on the open. If it opens up, confirming that candle, I would take a ride. AG started to form an inverted hammer. Not beautiful enough for me. If it had a longer wick, I think I would go for it, but looks like it's going to do what silver's going to do, but AG needs a little bit more work. Pop across that 8 for support. Oh, there's no way I can look at that. USLV came across resistance lines, came through support lines, back into resistance, and got rejected this morning. You got to hold support. I don't know what this line is doing. It's kind of off in Wonderland. We had support, but it gapped down through it. So now we have another opposing point. Let's go longer term. I can't see anything there. It's got to hold support, but we got a huge support line here. So there's your last line of defense. It's probably just going to go back and forth until it's sold all its dilution. NAK, what happened to NAK today? Oh, broke on through that support line. Let's find it. It's hard to find support when a falling knife is in. Looks like it's closing below support. It's got to hold support. We got support all the way down, but I hate to see someone hold it from here all the way down to here. I would say if it breaks 150 down, I would be trying not to hold on too tightly. Just let it go. URA, trying to get over that balance point, got rejected one more time today. UEC is still struggling with support over the 34. URRE might get a little pop on that daily. Everything's pretty tight in here. Boom. Sorry, I'm in a rush now. Apple's breaking down. Google's breaking down. Watch out below on Google. Looks like Apple's already started. I'm still in BCN, trading in and out. I'm waiting for a nice pop to sell upwards. Let's look at the intraday. I'm gonna, I got a small reversal head and shoulders down here. What I'm waiting for is it to come back into resistance at 125 to 127, into previous lows. So I'm gonna be selling on the way up. I'm gonna let it hit resistance, and then I'm going to wait for it to come back in and buy it up again and again and again, accumulating. Ethereum. Ethereum's got that lower high and a cross. 12 and below, I'd watch out. Here's our balance right there. Stay above that line. It can consolidate up here as long as it wants and then make new highs. Certainly could do that. But watch out below if it cracks that. And BTS, same thing. Pretty hard to find a balance point on this when it's stretched so far. But there's where it was before. So BTS is liable to come all the way back in. It's got a lower high. It's being rejected right now off resistance. It's back and forth, back and forth. Certainly volume can come in and heal all wounds, but that's it. Somehow I got busy all of a sudden at 7 o'clock at night, but thanks for watching. Sorry for the interruption, and I'll see you guys. Appreciate every one of you.